front bumper cover off this Volkswagen. As you can tell in the video, it is cracked in multiple areas, paint chipped off. It was involved in a life running accident, but this bumper can still be saved.
So we got the grill off, as you can see. Yeah, it's pretty much broken in a lot of parts. Back to
Check out the back.
and we're gonna start welding it from the back.
I think it comes with this, so you can scrape it.
Hey guys, so one technique to make it easier to weld it on the backside is you can grab a little bit of just tape and have one person kind of close it together, and then just put some tape on there, kind of just hold it in place so it makes it easier to weld it on the backside.
Kind of what we did right here. There's another crack right here that we're still gonna fix.
Okay, so we're melting some plastic on here. Basically what you do is, in that kit that you buy, you get some of this netting stuff. You lay it where the cracks at. You try to bring the plastic together. You try to bring the bumper, you try to close it, right? And then you put this on there.
And just melt it.
And then you melt it onto the seam where the crack's at. And then as soon as you do that, you can add some of this material to it.
Comes in the kit. Put another piece right there.
Like this, you can just melt it on top of it because you don't want to melt through the bumper. So you use this extra material that comes in the kit to melt to the bumper.
There you go.
You just kind of overlay the material over the.
Give me a piece right here.
What? The netting?
No, the rubber. I mean the plastic. Another piece. It does not have to be perfect. As you can tell, we're not professionals, but if done right, this will hold on.
So we got some wire mesh here. We're gonna do a little demonstration on how to get it started and melted to the bumper. Basically just take whatever size you need. Obviously down here we need a bigger one, so here we need a smaller size. Just cut to size. Basically just start pressing on the bumper and then slowly just melt the mesh onto the plastic. just taking some of this repair stick, melting it on top of the mesh, help it bond to the bumper. Give it that extra material it needs so it can bond better. It doesn't look pretty on the back, but it does definitely fixes the cracks.
Makes it durable.
Makes it more durable. And this is just a way how to save a bumper. Do it yourself.
You got more of that stick? Alright, this is the end result that we have after plastic welding the back. It should be good enough. Gonna go ahead and use 120 sand grit and feather this out a little bit. Alright, so we took off all the paint from around the crack. Go ahead and apply some body finish.
Pandora has the songs your ears need. RockAuto.com has the parts your car needs. Name brand parts delivered right to your door. Why limit your choices and pay way too much at a chain store? RockAuto.com has everything from complex sensors to tail lamps, new carpet, and even motor oil. Head to RockAuto.com now to see all the parts available for your vehicles. Right, Pandora is part of the Airbombers box, so that we know we sent you. I can take it tomorrow.
Yeah.
Hey, you know what? You don't even have to come in anymore. What?
Oh shoot. Alright, that's how it turned out. Not the best, but it should work. Go ahead and let it dry. This is how it looks after I sanded it with 120. Still low on some spots. Go ahead and fill some in. Go ahead and let that dry. Before adding primer, you would sand it with 180 grit sandpaper. And after applying the primer, you can either sand it with some 320, then finish it off with 400 sand grit paper. At least some people do sand with up to 600 before adding the base coat, but it's your preference what you decide to do. Alright, we painted and cleared the bumper already. Couldn't really film it, but here's the end product. This is where we repaired. Still has a crack there, but plastic will cover it up.